Hello everyone, welcome back to COTT Electronics. Today we finally reached the room and device sections. The room page may look complicated at first, but it's actually far simpler than it may seem. Like in any hotel, this page shows you which room is on which floor and so on and so forth. In the upper left corner, you have options to arrange the rooms in their correct designations. The floor obviously refers to the floor number. Each floor contains a certain number of rooms listed on the page, while each floor can be subdivided into groups as well. Whether it's according to certain subscriptions, buildings, or packages is mainly up to you. In this case, because our hotel is theoretical for now, we'll leave this as default. Although, you may obviously edit this from the group button in the upper right corner. Next to the group, we have benefits, which includes a comprehensive explanation of what comes with each specific room, such as subscriptions and packages mentioned in the previous episode. Wireless, as I'm sure you've guessed, refers to the Wi-Fi. However, the password and user will likely vary depending on the room or floor or group or so on. When you have everything ready, you will be able to easily create and edit room prompts. As you can see, we've discussed most of these details already. The only thing we need to mention is the MAC address. Every device within the hotel rooms comes with a specific ID code. If we plug in the MAC address into the section at the bottom, the device will automatically log in once it's connected. It's also noteworthy to mention that because of our system and how it's organized, we can detect most problems remotely from the hotelier portal without having to come in person. Inactive timeout at the top, on the other hand, disables specific devices from existing on the main page after a certain time. If the HMI software isn't integrated with another PMS system, then both checking in and out needs to be done manually. You can perform this task manually by clicking the green check-in button, after which the device itself will feature and refer to the customer by the name you enter. The overall status of the device can be seen on the device page. You can also view more significant details if you click on the edit button, which should reveal the MAC address, the IP, and other important bits of information. Once you've retrieved the address, you can plug it in whenever you're creating a new room. Thank you for watching, and for more on COTT Electronics, please visit our channel.